In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use the Chorus integration in CanvasLMS. Let's explore how this new integration streamlines assignment creation, submission, and grading. To get started, ensure that you have a valid Canvas account. Log in by entering your user ID and password, then click the Login button. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the Canvas landing page. On the left-hand menu, under Courses, scroll down to locate the Chorus integration. Clicking on Chorus will launch the application, automatically linking to your existing account. Here you can see my Chorus account is now active. As a teacher, you can create and manage assignments and courses to share with students. To create an assignment, navigate to the Courses section and select Assignments. Click Assignment to begin. You have the option to provide a name for the assignment and a description, or allow the integration to use the lesson activity name and description. Next, assign a point value, assignment group, and display grade as. Then select External Tool for the submission type. Select Find, and then Chorus. This will then open a window to allow you to select an assignment from your Chorus account. Once the assignment is selected, you can adjust the percentage targets using the slider. Then choose Select this assignment. Within Canvas, you can now choose the number of submission attempts, assign access to all students or specific students, add due dates and times, as well as availability dates and times. Once the details are complete, click Save and Publish to make the assignment accessible to students. When students log into Canvas, they will find the assignment in the Courses section. They can review the details, complete the task, and submit it directly within Canvas. As a teacher, you can review submissions using SpeedGrader. This feature allows you to view submission details, award scores, and provide feedback to students, all in one streamlined interface. This concludes our walkthrough of the Chorus integration in CanvasLMS. With this tool, you can efficiently create, distribute, and assess assignments, enhancing the learning experience for both teachers and students. Thank you for watching.